In today's digital age, marketing has become an essential aspect of running a successful business. With the rise of technology and the internet, traditional marketing methods are no longer enough to reach and engage with potential customers. Digital marketing, on the other hand, has proven to be a game changer for businesses of all sizes and industries. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 digital marketing tips and tricks for beginners. So whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional looking to upskill, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. Define your target audience. Identify the audience if you want to reach and understand their needs, preferences, and habits. This will help you create more effective and targeted marketing campaigns. Tip number 2. Create high-quality content. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Use a mix of formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Tip number 3. Optimize your website. You have to make sure that your website is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Optimize your website for search engines to increase your visibility and attract organic traffic. Tip number 4. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with your audience and promote your brand. Develop a social media strategy and post regularly to keep your followers engaged. Tip number 5. Use email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships with your audience and promoting your products or services. Build a targeted email list and send personalized, relevant emails to your subscribers. Tip number 6. Invest in pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising can drive traffic to your website and generate leads quickly. Use platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach your target audience and track your ROI. And finally, tip number 7. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility for your brand. Find influencers in your niche and collaborate with them to create sponsored content or promotions. And that wraps up our discussion on the top 7 digital marketing tips for beginners. Remember, digital marketing is a continuous learning process, and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is crucial for success. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can create a solid foundation for your digital marketing efforts and take your business to new heights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Thank you for watching.